Tanji Mahoa!
Tanji Mahoa, yeah.
Right, what are you guys? Who wants to be in the video?
Check it out. I'll be in the video. Yeah, yeah.
Dad! This is Dad, everyone. This guy is super cool. Hey! I'm from England. And I'm wearing my decent bubble wrap suit. Yeah, it's really special. So then you can like hit me and I'll be fine. Sorry.
You're not feeling hot?
I'm very hot. Look, the sweat pouring out of me here. So I think when I get back, what they have to do is
no air, it's airtight.
It's airtight. If they put some garlic and salt on me and some spices, I'll cook up real nice. Hey, do you want to say the name of your store? We'll pimp your store.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going to tell you the name of the store.
T&J.
What's it called?
T&J. T&J Grocery.
TJ Minimart. TG Minimart.